Welcome to our channel, The Mythologist. We are here to entertain and inspire you with the power of storytelling. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through the magic of words. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a kind little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie loved to hop around and explore the forest. One day, as she was exploring, she came across a little bird who had fallen from her nest. Rosie could see that the little bird was hurt and needed help. Without hesitation, she picked up the bird and took her to her own cozy burrow. Rosie took care of the little bird and nursed her back to health. She gave her food and water and made sure she was warm and comfortable. As the days went by, the little bird grew stronger and was able to fly again. The bird was so grateful to Rosie for her kindness and wanted to do something in return. She decided to sing a beautiful song for Rosie to show her appreciation. Rosie was touched by the bird's kind gesture and realized that being kind to others can bring joy and happiness not just to others, but also to oneself. From that day on, Rosie made a promise to herself to always be kind to those in need. And so, the forest was filled with kindness and love, all thanks to the kind little rabbit Rosie and the little bird she had helped.